Is he calling for me? I have this hope from within. How could it be? From where does this notion rise? Does he truly notice me? This lovely prince so wise, beloved son of the Father. Listen, he is calling. Can you hear his voice sweet? Like soft raindrops falling, a precious melody. There's no one so loving, so pure and so tender. The warmth of his heart, it is drawing me to his side. Oh, why do I doubt this when the truth is plain to see? His heart is full of kindness, his love sets me free. Listen, he is calling. Can you hear his voice sweet? Like soft raindrops falling, a precious melody. There's no one so loving, so pure and so tender. The warmth of his heart, it is drawing me to his side. My beloved, are you calling for me, your wayward child? I am running to you, your arms are open wide. Listen, he is calling. Listen, he is calling. Can you hear his voice sweet? Like soft raindrops falling, a precious melody. There's no one so loving, so pure and so tender. The warmth of his heart, it is drawing me to his side.